Importing files from Revit to Lumion. After learning the concepts for preparing the 3D files, we will learn how to export files from Revit to be imported in Lumion. So here is the Revit file we'll be working with, the basic sample project. And just like we did in the preparing 3D file lecture, the first thing to do is to apply materials placeholders. That means assigning different materials to different objects. Let's go to realistic mode to see it more clearly. For example, this roof material differs from the wall material, or the glass material, or the stairs material. Let's get back to consistent colors and start exporting. We will go to File, Export, FBX. Navigate to where we want to save the file, give it a name, and press Save. Let's go to Lumion and press Import. Navigate to where we saved the file and select it. Now press Open and give it a name, and press OK. Click anywhere to place our project in the scene, and press Escape to quit placing. And here is our project imported in Lumion. In the upcoming lectures, we will learn how to manipulate landscape, move our project around, and assign different materials to our project. But we will do that with the other twin villa project, and from this point, all the Revit users can follow us along.